Oh, we got one car trying to make it up the road. He's spinning. Oh yeah, he's spinning. He's going back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. You can do it. You can do it. Oh, nope. No, there's going to be another car that's going to pass him. Oh, there's a whole train of cars. Oh, did I come out at the perfect time? Holy shit. Come on, baby. Keep going. He's got it pegged. He's trying. Oh, these people are going to go around. These are the three cars that just passed him in the truck. He's coming. He's got it. He's got it. He's still going. These guys are climbing up the hill. Oh, one just turned on Sue. He's still going. He's all over the place. It's going left, right, left, right, left, right. You got just wop, 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 wop. On, off, on, off, on, off, on, off. You're welcome. Just keep hitting it and it'll climb. You got it. I don't know if you're gonna make the corners. See, she took my advice and did the on, off, on, off, on, off. You can see the squiggly marks. That shit works. She's doing good. She's all the way up around the first corner already. I didn't think she was gonna make it that far. But look at her tire tracks. Come right here and come right to where I'm standing. She almost went off right there and then right back out and up. Crazy.